Hello guys, how are you? I think you all are good and safe with your family. Today we will discuss the new chapter adjective. In Hindi we know it as a विशेषण जो कि संज्ञा सर्वनाम की विशेषता बताता है. Now the first question arises in your mind, what is the definition of adjective? Just show in the picture. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. Adjective डिस्क्राइब करता है नाउन और प्रोनाउन की क्वालिटीज़ को. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मेसी बेडरूम, ब्यूटिफुल रेनबो, ब्लू शर्ट, डिलीशियस पिक्चर, फ्लफी बनी, शाइनी मिरर, ब्रेव फायर फाइटर्स, टीनी लेडीबग, happy baby, silly dragon. All these words which are in red color are adjective. We also discuss the definition of adjective in a simple way. An adjective tells or describes the quality, quantity or number of noun and pronoun. Quality, quantity, number, noun और pronoun की बताता है adjective. For example, I have 10 candies. How many candies? 10 candies. Then it tells about the number, quantity. Tiger is a dangerous animal. Which type of animal? Dangerous animal. Then it tells the quality of tiger. Now we will discuss the types of adjective. Number 1, qualitative, which we also called it descriptive adjective. Number 2, quantitative adjective. Third, demonstrative adjective. Number 4, possessive adjective. Number 5, interrogative adjective. And the last one is your indefinite adjective. Firstly, we discuss about qualitative and quantitative adjective. Qualitative adjective. It tells the quality of noun and pronoun. ये क्वालिटी बताएगा नाउन और pronoun की, that is size, color and shape of noun and pronoun. For example, it is a black cow. She is a beautiful girl. It is a tall building. Then black, beautiful, tall, all these are qualitative adjective. Quantitative adjective. It tells the quantity of noun and pronoun. Quantity noun और pronoun की यानी कि मात्रा बताएगा quantitative adjective. It belongs to the question category how much, how many. How much, how many का इस्तेमाल करके हम लोग उसकी quantity को पता कर लेंगे. Some quantitative adjectives are all, few, many, little and also numeral, that is cardinal or ordinal. Cardinal 1, 2, 3 and ordinal is your ranking first, second, third. For example, there are 2 girls in the class. Then how many girls? 2 girls. Priya is sitting in the first bench. Where she is sitting? It is sitting in the first bench. Now the next topic is your demonstrative and interrogative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. It points out or shows the particular noun. Some demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, those. Demonstrative adjective स्पेसिफिक नाउन को दिखाने के लिए हम लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं और डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स होते हैं दिस, दैट, दीज, दोज. दिस एंड दैट, these are singular and these and those are plural. This or these are used for near object and that and those are used for far object. जो चीज़ हमारे पहुँच में होगी जिसे छू सकते हैं उसमें this और these का इस्तेमाल करेंगे और जो चीज़ हमारे पहुँच से बाहर होगी उसके लिए that और those का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. These is the plural of this and those is the plural of that. Now Example is the this car is looking good. Car is the noun, then we point out car, then we use this. Those birds are flying in the sky. Birds is the noun and we can't touch the birds, then we use those demonstrative adjective. Now the next topic is your interrogative adjective. It shows in interrogative sentences. Three interrogative adjectives are what, which, whose. These are interrogative adjective which can used for interrogative sentences. Which cat is your? Cat is the noun, then which is the interrogative adjective. Whose shoes are on the floor? Shoes is the noun and whose is the interrogative adjective. What food would you like most? Food is the noun, then what is the interrogative adjective. Now the next topic is your possessive and indefinite adjective. Possessive adjective. It explains ownership. ऑनरशिप के बारे में पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव में हमें पता चलता है, यानी कि जो भी नाउन है वो किसका है. पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स आर माई, हिज, हर, आवर. दीज आर पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई बुक इज़ प्रीशियस. बुक इज़ द नाउन एंड माई इज़ द पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव, यानी कि मेरा. आवर टीचर्स आर वेल एजुकेटेड. टीचर्स आर नाउन and our is the possessive adjective. And the last topic is your indefinite adjective. It describes a noun in a non-specific sense. नाउन के बारे में जानकारी देगा लेकिन वो स्पेशल नहीं होगा. It gives general information about noun or pronoun. ये हमें जनरल इंफॉर्मेशंस के बारे में बताएगा. That the common indefinite adjectives are any, each, every, several, some, either, neither. All these are indefinite adjective. For example, every students go to the school. प्रत्येक बच्चे स्कूल जाते हैं, तो वो कोई भी हो सकते हैं. Any car, कोई कार. Some cats, कुछ बिल्ली. All these are indefinite adjective. So guys, if you like my video, then please like and subscribe. It increases my confidence level. Thank you. Be safe at your home.